Alright everybody, so I hope you're ready to do some programming, because in this lecture, what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to build me a program. So what we're going to do is pretend as if I'm a client, and you're working for me, and I need a program, and I need you to have the following features. So we're going to go over this step by step, and like usual, you can follow along. I want you guys to try and do it on your own, and if you have any problems, you can watch me in the next video where I will come up with my own solution to the program. Doesn't necessarily mean that yours will be the same, but I will come up with my way of how I would do it. Alright, so let's look at the program, and let's look at what you need to include in your program in order to pass the challenge. So first of all, download the HTML and JavaScript files for this challenge. Second, your program needs to welcome the user to the web page via an alert box. Then you need to ask the user for their name. And then you need to ask the user for their favorite color. Then you're going to combine the user's name and the user's favorite color into a string that goes as follows, and write that string to the document. Hello, user. Your favorite color is user's favorite color. Finally, output a program complete string to the console to let us know that your script has run successfully without any errors. If you think you can handle this on your own, try and give it a go. If you have any problems, don't worry. I'll be here in the next video to show you the complete solution to the variable and strings challenge. Good luck, guys!